Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool Lifewit cooler bag that comes in multiple sizes. This is the small one, you have the medium and the large. Actually, this is the medium one and comes in large and jumbo. The jumbo is massive, very massive. But the good thing about this one, it comes in multiple designs as well. This is kind of like a flower-ish spring summer design, I want to say, but it comes in fixed colors like solid colors or many other patterns. Things that I like about this one, besides that it's insulated and you can put many cans and bottles and things like yogurt, sandwiches actually, or cookies or things like that, because it's gonna keep it cold the whole day or more. I want to say like more than 12 hours cold, like super cold, and the rest of the day cold enough to actually have like cold drinks or cold meals, or as I was saying before, milk and yogurt and things like that. So let's take a closer look now. So on the outside, you're gonna find a side pocket right here with mesh, so you can actually put some bottles if you need. It comes with two, one right here as well. You have this handle for easy transportation that you can actually hang it from your shoulder, and it's very resistant. Comes with this locks right here and a pad for your shoulder as well. And also you'll find this handle with a Velcro, so you can actually grab it by hand when you need, if you're taking this to your office or home office, or taking it with you to a soccer match or things like that. And right here you're gonna find a pocket that is not insulated. It's not an insulated pocket, so that's more for, I want to say, like bags or forks or things like that. But in here you're gonna find, which I think, by the way, this is kind of like a hardcover, so it's not very flimsy. And inside you're gonna find that it's insulated right here. As you can see, it's super insulated on the sides as well. So if it drips or if it is wet, the water will stain kind of like inside. And you're gonna see that I have about 4 cans and two tall bottles and one tall can, and I still have much room right here to put many other things. Like, for example, I can put more cans. I can actually expand it a little bit more, and I can put more cans, sandwiches, yogurt, cookies, I don't know, ketchup or things like that. So that's actually really good. So I like it because of that. Super simple, comes with a really nice designs. It's insulated when it's gonna keep it cold for sure, and also it's super good for transportation with the handle and the shoulder strap. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I think this is a good one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.